morning, guys. Today we've got Garrett. Huh? We got the boat back there. We got G Wrangler, Garrett Butler. Have you seen Father? Okay, well, let me just pull up and you can get in behind me. All right. And today we're gonna be doing some. I got a bedhead. We're gonna be doing some bull red fishing, and this is gonna be Garrett's first time doing that. I've caught my very first one probably at least a month ago, and haven't been able to get back out since and get on another one. But let me pull up my truck for Garrett, and then we'll give you a little more insight in just a few here. Check out these bad boys right here. Bad boys. Real country music right here. We made it here, finally. Awkwardly, hey. Where is he at? If she knew he was coming. The Rush Gosh. The Rush Gosh.
All that stuff, you know how hard that does it all.
So I guess this is pretty much going to be the setup we're using.
Where's your flippers at?
That was awfully quick.
That was really fast.
There you go. This is the time.
We didn't even get the camera out.
He gets closer to the boat, he'll run off.
Is it red?
Yeah.
That's all that matters.
He may not.
Wait.
I thought he about to do it then.
He's probably gonna do it again, but if he does, let him go.
Oh, floppers.
It's a nice one. Not as big as the first one, okay?
Yeah, that's a real pretty fish.
Alright, step down. Take right on the side boat.
I think it's that current that's he's working with. That is a really pretty fish.
That is a beautiful fish. Beautiful.
Got it. What, first drop?
Within like what, 3 minutes?
No, not even 3 minutes. It just started going. What has he got on the side? A leech?
Yeah.
Here, let me take this weight off.
It's in a moray. No, you're fine.
And a what?
And a moray. What follows, where's the pliers at? That's what follows the sharks. Good job, man. Good job. Can we get your picture with him?
Yeah, that was a.
That one right there's got unbelievable color.
Yeah, it's super orange. All right. Yep, he's good. Yep.
Good job, bub.
This is a pretty heavy deal, but it's not. It ain't those.
Yeah, it's a spinning reel. That's where it takes all the power out of it. All right. Let's go ahead and drop this baby down for round 2. See if we can get on another one here shortly. All right. Hit bottom.
Go ahead and give me 8 for this one in there.
Out.
You got another crab? Uh-oh. There's Bucky. It's getting ready.
Is it really?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
All right, get up there.
He's there.
Hey, don't remember. Don't remember. Remember to hit
Yeah,
that
walk me through this.
It's about there.
that button on the side. Just flip
Don't
it.
worry about that.
Push it.
Yeah, I think push it down.
Okay, just let him run.
Yeah, I'm videoing. Yeah, Caden's had some play with it, and then
Picked it up and,
And
snatched
just-
it, snatched it.
He's there.
yeah, he's definitely there.
Not yet.
Uh
Now
Here
he's
he
there.
goes.
Wait, what?
Hope he didn't pull that crab off.
I got bait.
He's like, oh, I see Devin.
Quite dense. I go over this way now.
Got bait in the garage.
I think so.
Dang. I missed it. Hey, tighten your drag, tighten your drag. There you go.
Oh, it came off.
Nuh-uh.
Is he still there?
Did he come off?
Is it? Keep reeling, keep reeling. Ah, dang. Yeah.
It must be small.
Dang, we had him though.
Yeah. Darn.
I wonder if that drag, you just let him get too much of it. Yep,
Yeah.
stole it. Big Mo. Well, it looks like a big red.
Whatever they're catching, it's got to
That's a big one if it is.
There's a big one down here.
Hey man, I'm trying to film the video. Can y'all hurry?
I mean, ruining my battery life.
There it goes. Coming out of the corner. What is it?
That's big, whatever it is. Red?
I think it's red. Yeah, we don't want to get on anybody's boat.
That's bad.
What in the world? That's a big fish.
What's on that side? Did they do that?
That's crazy. What is that?
I don't. Prop could have hit him.
I don't think that's anything they would have done.
No, that's
His back is busted up. His fins are gone.
Prop hit him.
Probably.
here.
That's
Let me
exactly
get
what
that
it
on
is.
this camera here.
That's exactly what it is.
Dang.
Keep the boat going forward a little bit, Randy.
Yeah, look at that. Jeez.
Or keep it into the current.
Where's the okay? I got it. I got it.
Not too fast. I can't hold on to him that fast.
We are a few days late making the outro of this video, just to pretty much sum things up. Garrett didn't catch one, I caught one. It was first drop within a minute. I was going to get my GoPro, and then so we would have had some pretty sick video of that, but ended up we didn't have enough time to even get the GoPro on me. And so and then Garrett had one and ran off and then broke off or something happened. And then that other fish that you saw us release, that was that boat that we showed. They caught something, we couldn't quite tell what it was, and then they released it and it came belly up, floating all the way towards us. So we went over there and picked it up, tried to revive it real quick. He went off good, but that big huge gash in its back was a prop to a motor or something. I'm surprised he's even alive. But yeah, that's pretty much it. We got to get Garrett on a redfish soon. We've been trying. We've been out two weeks and haven't caught nothing, and that was the very first time that we actually like landed something in the boat. So it was a pretty good day. We've had a lot of hurricanes and stuff going on here in Florida. The weather's like bipolar. But yeah, like this video, subscribe, comment down below, and yeah, peace.